गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। सो इन दिस वीडियो मैं डिस्कस करूंगा आईआईएससी बैंगलोर के डाटा साइंस में पीएचडी के इंटरव्यू के एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में। तो जो आईआईएससी बैंगलोर का डिपार्टमेंट है कंप्यूटेशनल एंड डेटा साइंस, शेयर। So this is a department of computational and data science. So this offers admission into MTech and PhD in data science. So process are same for the MTech and PhD. So they would prefer PhD candidate over MTech candidates. So process like they shortlist according to your GATE, NET or Inspire fellowship. Based on that, and then they will have aptitude tests. So they had the aptitude test in which they asked 9 questions. So 7 questions were based on combinatorics, probability, linear algebra, calculus, and the 2 questions were on programming. So you have to write the code. So after this test, those who will qualify will be interviewed. So I will share today interview experience. So I don't remember all the questions of aptitude test. So just I will share experience. So this page you can see. So this is a department at IISc Bangalore, and that offers MTech and PhD for in data science. So eligibility is like you have masters, MSc background in mathematics, statistics, or computer science, you can join, or you have BTech, then you can join MTech or PhD. Okay, so let me come to the directly interview experience. So in the interview, first they asked about, like, actually they have two categories, like they have one as a computational science, other is the data science. So which one you want to prefer? So in the computational science, like they much require the people from computer science background. They have very strong computer science background and engineering background in the data science field actually. And in computational science, they need the person with the background in mathematics, good background in mathematics. So you can see on the page so what they require actually, but it's not restricted. If you are, it will depend on your interview experience. So what do you want? But before interview, they ask you in a Google form, so where do you want to go first, which is your first choice, which is your second choice. So what are the lab preferences and all they want. So in the interview, they asked me, so since my background is in statistics and mathematics, so they started with the first question. They said in interview, so if you have 100 data, so you have 100 numbers like x1, x2, and x100. So you have 100 numbers, and their mean is 50, and their variance is 10. So 100 numbers, mean of 100 number is 50, and the variance of 100 number is 10. तो क्वेश्चन ये था कि इसमें से मैक्सिमम नंबर क्या होगा और मिनिमम नंबर क्या होगा, बताना कि जो 100 नंबर है उसमें से जो लार्जेस्ट नंबर होगा वो क्या हो सकता है और स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर क्या हो सकता है। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन जो उन्होंने पूछा वो था कि बर्नौली रैंडम वेरिएबल क्या होता है, बर्नौली रैंडम वेरिएबल क्या होता है। नेक्स्ट उन्होंने पूछा कि ज्योमेट्रिक रैंडम वेरिएबल क्या होता है। ओके, एंड देन उन्होंने एक सिचुएशन दिया, लाइक वी आर टॉसिंग अ कॉइन फॉर द 10 टाइम, दे ऑल टॉसेस आर इंडिपेंडेंट। सो हम एक कॉइन को 10 बार फेंक रहे हैं, तो वो किस कैटेगरी में आएगा, तो वो डिसाइड करना है, बर्नौली होगा या ज्योमेट्रिक होगा। आगे कुछ नहीं दिया, जस्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट दैट वी आर टॉसिंग अ कॉइन फॉर द 10 टाइम्स इंडिपेंडेंटली। एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो था, तो फिर उन्होंने लीनियर अलजेब्रा से स्टार्ट किया। सो यस, सो लीनियर अलजेब्रा में उन्होंने फोर्थ क्वेश्चन दे आस्क्ड, so fourth I have not written, so like we toss a coin for 10 times, so this experiment will comes under which category, like they ask like this. So fifth question is from linear algebra, and that is, you have a system of equation ax is equal to b, and A matrix is U into U transpose. So U is a column vector. So U into U transpose. And this B is U. So what can you say about the solution of this system? So what is the solution of the system? So you can check the solution, like a rank of this UU transpose is always 1. So it will have infinite solution always. And how will you find the solution? So since A will not be invertible, because it is of rank 1, and if you take U as a column vector of 2 cross 1, suppose, or more than 2 elements in a column, so that will make A non-invertible. So that in case, how will you find X? So this type of questions they asked. So what is the solution actually, they asked. So next question 6 is, so they asked from programming. So programming was, suppose A is a matrix, n cross n matrix, diagonal matrix. So it has elements on diagonals like A1, A2, and rest all are 0. B is a matrix NT diagonal. So elements are on this, like B1, B2, and like Bn. Rest are 0. So you have to write a code to multiply these two matrices efficiently. So it is not like efficiently means the time complexity will be lesser than the normal multiplication. So how will you multiply these two matrices efficiently and write their code? So this interview actually they give you a time between 30 and 45 minutes. So, and in between they will give you the time to think also, like in one question you want to take time, they will give you the time to think. So these 6 questions they asked, and yeah, so this was the question. So what is the code and time complexity will be minimum? Okay, so that was the question for this. So that this was the only interview of that IISc Bangalore for the PhD in data science. Yeah, thank you.